How to share internet from mobile to PC. First of all, on your mobile device, make sure you're connected to an internet connection. Find the option for hotspot and make sure to turn it on. Once you do that on your laptop device, what you can do is click on the Wi-Fi icon. After that, you'll be able to see various Wi-Fi connections that you can connect to. You'll be able to see the internet connection of your mobile over here. Click on that network name. You'll be directed to enter the network security key over here. Find the security key in the hotspot settings on your mobile device. Enter the security key. Click on the option next that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, you'll be connected to the internet from your mobile. Like this, you can share internet from mobile to PC. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.